Number 5. Rheem 240 volts. External digital thermostatic control with LED display. Most advanced self-modulation, adjust power to meet hot water demand. Durable copper immersion for heating elements, field serviceable. Simple installation, bottom 3/4 inch NPT water connections. Threaded for easy replacement, simple installation, digital temperature display. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Tankless water heater. Applied with 5.5 kW heating system. The hot water heater adjusts power input based on flow rate and temp setting. The tankless water heater comes with digital display and touch control panel. Applied with multiple protection devices. The sleek tankless water heater is compact as an oatmeal box. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Emaxim 24013. Tankless water heaters provide a continuous supply of hot water. Instant, consistent and endless hot water. The most advanced, self-modulating technology available. Compact size saves valuable storage space. It is designed to handle point-of-use a small apartment in warmer climates. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Stiebel Eltron. Hot showers will never be interrupted again. Its small, sleek white design saves space. One electronic switch will activate the hot water heater and it's noise-free. This specific model is 24 kilowatts. Stiebel Eltron's top-rated electric tankless water heaters perform. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Bosch Electric. 17.3 kilowatts tankless whole house electric water heater provides hot water. Can be installed virtually anywhere for commercial or residential applications. Minimum water pressure, 15 pounds per square inch. External temperature control knob and superior temperature stability. 97% thermal efficiency with minimal standby loss. Please check the description for details and best price.